Hello, dear friends. Hello, followers. I'm Dr. Mauricio Soto again. And today I go to show you how to do a beautiful set of porcelain veneers step by step, okay? Pay attention. For the explanation in this video, I go to use one beautiful patient that have a serious problem in her teeth, okay? Because this she have orthodontics. I do the orthodontics by myself for 2 years because she have a genesis, okay, lack of some teeth. And the first thing that I do was to adjust the space, thinking in the smile, okay, thinking in the veneers. Okay, remember, in cosmetic dentistry, the most important is the planification of the case of your patient. This is the situation when I remove the braces, okay? I have good bite and teeth in good position, but have lack of some teeth. We go to do a combination of veneers and bridge, okay? This is a combination of veneers in IMAX porcelain and zirconium. Because for do the bridge, we need zirconium. The IMAX is not enough strong for do a bridge, and I prefer do the veneers in IMAX porcelain because from my point of view, the IMAX porcelain have better bonding strength. For this reason, when I do veneers, I prefer in IMAX porcelain. Maybe in the future I start to use zirconium, but today I prefer IMAX. The first step is start with the planification of the case, okay? I take pictures and videos and I send this to the dental lab for do a mockup, okay? The mockup is the core, is the heart of the planification of cosmetic procedure, of a cosmetic procedure. The mockup is a planning of the veneers, okay? And the lab print this with a 3D printing machine. And in this way, we have a prototype of the veneers. After have the mockup, the prototype, the next step is start to shape the teeth, okay? The most of the time that we need to do porcelain veneers, we need to shape the teeth, okay? I know that we listen today in everywhere about the previous veneer. But the previous veneer is most an exception than a rule. Okay, the most of the time for do porcelain veneers, we need to shade the teeth. Okay, because remember the more important thing when you do veneers is the smile, is obtain a nice smile. And if we don't do shaving over the teeth, the most of the time we have over bulky and fake looking veneers. Okay? You need to do a good planification just in patient with very small teeth, with a space between the teeth. We can do previous veneer. But for example, in this situation, we need to do bridges and veneers and impossible to do without shaving the teeth. Okay? For this reason, we shave the teeth in the most conservative way to give a good space for the porcelain, okay? I do this with high-speed bores, with good water source, and we new bores. This is very important. Use a new set of bores in every patient, okay? After finish the prep of the teeth, we need to take an impression, a copy of the teeth after the preps. Are two ways for do this. One is in the traditional way with polyvinyl siloxane, the old school way, and the new way with intraoral scanner. Okay, we do this time, the most of the time we do now with the scanner. Okay, but you need to know two ways, because if for any reason you have problem with the scanner, you need to take the impression in the old school way. Okay, we do the scanner and we send this to the dental lab to do the veneers. But don't forget, it's very important, the planification, and give information to the dental lab about the mockup. Okay, we need to check if the mockup work in the face of the patient, and if don't work, don't fit very well, we do adjustment of the mockup, and we need to send again this information to the lab. Okay, are a big problem with this, because the most of the dentists don't have good communication with the dental lab. And remember, the lab can't see your patient, only see teeth. If you want a nice set of veneers, you need to send pictures, send videos to your lab with the mockup in mind. Okay? After do the preps and take the impression, it's time to prove the mockup. For prove the mockup, we need to transport the mockup to the teeth. Okay? We do a key with silicone, with PVS, and we fill this with a material, a temporary material. It's acrylic material, okay? It's a kind of composite that we do for put them on cup and work to as temporary veneers, okay? We fill the silicone with the composite and put it in the mold. And in this way, we have a copy of the mockup in the patient teeth. And we check this in the patient. We check the smile. If need some adjustment, we do. If look very big, we could. If we feel that need more size, we add composite. But it's important, take video, take pictures of this and send this to the lab again. Now it's time of the lab work. The lab do his work. You need to find a good lab, call to the lab, have good communication. And after some days, maybe 5 days average, 3 days, 5 days, you have the veneers. You have the porcelain veneer ready to bond. You check, if look good, you proceed to bond the veneers. The process for bonding the veneer have two different processes. One for conditioning the veneer and another for the tooth. Okay? For the conditioning of the porcelain veneer, you need to clean very well, put fluoridic acid, and put the bonding. In other hand, you need to do a prep, a conditioning of the teeth too. In the teeth, you do cleaning, etching with phosphoric acid, and put the bonding. You can use the same bonding for the veneer and for the teeth, okay? And after this, your veneers are ready for be cemented over the teeth. For cement the veneers and the bridge over the teeth, I use a photocuring cement. Okay, a photocuring cement are different colors. You choose this depend of the page. Okay, in this situation, I use a translucent cement to bond the veneer over the teeth and put the lamp to harder the cement and to harder the bond. And this is the final result of our veneers, okay? Again, with a new smile and with a new self-esteem, okay? I changed the life of this girl, okay? And I'm very happy for this. She's now a new person. I have a new life with her new teeth. I'm very, very happy. Was a hard job. I spent 3 years doing this. Do cosmetic dentistry is not easy, but I can teach you. Take my class, can come here to my office in Colombia and take my class. I do a 5 days porcelain veneer class, all the process, all the process with a real patient, okay? Right to the WhatsApp, you come here, 1 week to my city, Bucaramanga, Colombia. Many people come here around all the world, okay? You are welcome here. Okay, see you in my next video. Please follow me, put a like, and see you in my next video, okay? I'm Dr. Mauricio Soto, and I do the world best veneer class. Goodbye.